Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel, to another episode of Look What the Postman Brought Me. Today I found a bag of stuff in my mailbox. I got something soft, and the package we all know where it comes from, with a yellow tape or orange tape. So let's start on this one first. This one was dropped in my mailbox by my friend Martin. It's some freebies from him. It's some HPI stickers, as I'm actually doing a HPI chassis right now. I need some HPI stickers and he had some, so I'm very thankful for that. So remember, there will be a running video of this one out soon, so let's just put that one there. And I used drive shaft for the TT01 in alloy, so that's great. And Chewbacca. Yeah. Okay, so what's in the soft package? Let's open and see. Hopefully it's something RC related. Anybody knows these colors? Let's do it like this. A big reveal. Yeah, look at this. How awesome, isn't this? It's a t-shirt done by 10th Scale Art. So really looking forward to getting this on. My favorite car, or one of my most favorite cars. So that's cool. Okay, let's see what the Tamiya brings us this time. So let's see. As you can see, this is quite big parts. This is parts for the TRF 801XT. I bought to have some spares. Bulkhead. What's this? Links. Yeah. So we got the one for the wing, rear wing, probably a bumper. We got a gearbox. And what's this called? Aufspranghalter. Yeah, it's one holding the pins together on these. So we got some suspension arms, some more. We got some uprights for the front. Yeah, another one for the dampers. And damper parts. I just bought 4. So, and some spare drive shafts. so I think that will be nice to have. And in addition, I bought the decal kit for it. I don't have a new body, but we'll see what I'm gonna do with the one I have. But I wanted to have this one just in case I'll stumble upon a new body. And just some extra decals. TB05 Pro. This must be the smallest decal sheet I ever seen. From Tamiya, TB02. And TA07 Pro. I don't have any of these cars, but I like decals, so they will go in my collection. Yep. So that's it for now. If anything else turns up, I'm gonna add it to this one. Okay, so I got 2 more packages. So let's have a look. This one is from Norway, and this one is from Great Britain. Yeah, so it's new wheels, or they're used, but I think they look pretty awesome, so I got them cheap, so I just had to have it. And these ones, just standard regular ones, nothing special, but really cheap. So, and in this last one, this one you're gonna like, I promise you. This package contains something you, I guarantee you don't see it every day. Can you see? There's a shade of color here. Oh yeah, look at this. Huh? I'm not sure if you can see the color good, but it's all pink. It's pink, what do you call it? It's article number 4954-9, the 4-wheel drive touring and rally car fluorescent, I can't pronounce that word, sorry, pink gear case set. The front and rear, it's for the TA01 or TA02, or the top fours, or yeah. So this one is actually gonna be used. I'm gonna make a pink version of the TA02, I think, with but I will use the carbon upper and lower deck. So, yeah. Okay, so that's it for this this video. So if you like this and if you want to see more on what's gonna become of these, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until then, just have fun and take care, and I'll see you on the next one.